I'm Josh, and I'm here on behalf of Nitrosphere. We're located in Austin, Texas, and I'm the head of product. And we have a very simple mission. And I said it in my introduction that we simply want to make data move faster, but there are many different layers to that. So I will dive into that right now. We believe that citizens are entitled to effective and economical execution of responsibilities across federal, state, and local governments. We all rely very heavily on data. It controls many aspects of our lives. And especially in the government space, upgrading infrastructure is very expensive, very time consuming, and many people in the space are using outdated legacy hardware and software. And so we address that directly with our solution. First, we're going to start with the problem. The problem is a very, very old one. Since the very beginning of network infrastructure, many outside areas.
Hey Josh, sorry to interrupt, but you're cutting in and out a little bit. So I'm not sure if I'll shut my camera off just to conserve some bandwidth. Um, so you might want to do the same and let's try that. Yes, please continue. Sorry to interrupt.
And if it goes out again. And this actually relates directly to what I'm speaking about right now. There is simply not enough bandwidth for data to move across a line. And IT professionals spend quite a bit of their time and their money to be able to upgrade the infrastructure that they're using. They will upgrade the internet speed, they will purchase more servers, desktops, and laptops, they will move to the cloud or rewrite applications, they will spend a massive amount of time rewriting queries and doing everything that they can to make data move faster. But the problem is with the way that data is actually packaged up and moved across the line, and that is where our solution comes into play. We accelerate the actual protocols, all TCP-based protocols and all Windows-based databases. We install as a software to the individual endpoints. It can be a desktop, it can be an application server, it can be a physical server or a cloud server. Once we're installed on both sides of those connections, we begin to accelerate the communication between those two spots. We're on the Air Force evaluated products list, and we are in the testing phase for two of their programs, both Air Education and Training Command and Air Mobility Command. Immediately at the time of install, we traditionally see up to 30 times network data transfer speeds and up to 90% lower bandwidth fees. With my audio going out earlier in this call, traditionally when we do speed tests, we do not screen share because it slows down the actual connection. But when we are running our actual software, we can have everyone's camera on. And that is a fantastic benefit there that I wanted to quickly point out. The additional benefits with our solution as opposed to the problems that I listed earlier, it is very difficult to get the funding and budget approval to be able to upgrade all infrastructure. And we do understand that, especially in the government, there are many people that are running on legacy applications, home-built applications, .NET remoting applications, and they are very, very slow. It becomes more difficult to connect the further away that the data sources and the people accessing them are located. So we've taken all of that into consideration with our product, where it installs very quickly. It can immediately encrypt the connection. We do not require additional hardware or proxies. The customers that we work with retain all information of their data. We take that very, very seriously. Nothing is moved out laterally across those connections. And that's it. So please head over to nitrosphere.com/gov. And within there, we have a link to our GovShop profile and also a link to our capability statement. And we would love to chat with you if you're interested. Thanks.